Welcome by a rainbow, we leave our colorful boat picked up at the harbor for Filipino breakfast with the typical choices and visitors. After a short ride, we reach already the Chocolate Hills, and here is where you start for the sightseeing. The stairs look like they end up in heaven, and you will soon realize why there are different shelters to take a rest where you already can enjoy a nice view. And more exercises. You will be reminded on next day feeling your muscles. After the final steps, we can see the whole area with hundreds of chocolate hills. It's good to be early when less tourists block your pictures. We are at the Manobo-Lapaknon-Community now with different activities. But first we are welcomed by musicians of the tribes with their typical music and chance for visitors to sneak in. Let's see what we can discover. First we see a sculpture of the famous Tasiers, much smaller in real. Horse riding is also offered. And here are the real Tasiers, small and hiding at daytime because they are night active. You want to test your braveness? Here you can. Much more harmless are the butterflies. They are everywhere flying around you. And Gladys is looking for new friends, tries to get one on her hands. Finally, she is successful and looks super happy. We leave as we came, in dancing mode. The last is a little exhibition about the tribe's life with interesting information. Another highlight, a river cruise with lunch. The boats are fixed together. You pass through other boats to get to yours. The buffet was already opened. After we found our seat, the band started to play. In the background, you can see that we are already leaving. Our first stop is a dance group and challenge for the tourists if they participate. It's really difficult. And another river activity, canoeing. You should have good sun protection, really. Enjoy more impressions of the river cruise while I keep back with comments. Finally, our last stop with the creative name Bohollywood. A picturable place, that's what Filipinos like. That was our Bohol trip. Hope you enjoyed.